Okay, we have the AV Access 2x1 dual monitor HDMI KVM switch. We're going to get this on the desk so we can share multiple computers along with a monitor and the same keyboard and all that good stuff. So let's see what we get in the box. Right on top of the phone, then we have our paperwork, the AV Access switch itself wrapped in plastic. We have our USB cable, another USB cable. Here we have some HDMI cables, 2, 3. They're really hooking us up with some HDMI cables. 4, our power adapter, the rest of the power adapter with the box on it. And that's everything in the box.